Now let me show you how to start the engine for this new skid steer loader. And first we need to close the door. Okay, now put the seat belt down. And here there's a button. Press down. And here engine start. So it's one button start. Let's press it. Okay, easy. Okay, now I'm sitting inside the cabin of the new skid steer loader. You can see in front of you there are two joysticks. The right joysticks to operating the working system, the arm, the bucket, etc. And here, this is operates the attachments such as 4-in-1 buckets, sweeper, etc. And the left joystick is operates the driving system, forward, backwards, left and right. And there are two locks here, two buttons. The right one shows a P. It's a lock for the driving system. So before you drive, you have to press the button. And this one, the joystick lock, is to lock the working system. So if you want to operate the working, the bucket, the arm, you have to press this button first. Later I will show you. Okay. This is for the high oil flow button. This is the preheat. This is the battery. This is the main battery switch. You have to press it and start the engine. Yeah, these engines one button start engine. Here is to operate the air conditioning and the speed of the wind and the lights. The turning lights and all the lights. Here's a display. Okay, now let's press this button and start the engine. So now if I operate the joystick, it doesn't work, right? You can see the joystick here is dark. It's not lighting now. And if I press this joystick button, and the joystick symbol will be lightened up. So now you can operate the arm. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. And the left is left and the right is operating the bucket. But now it's only there's no bucket with this loader yet. And this is to operate the driving system forward, backwards. Again, now it's locked. If I press it, it will not move. This is for safety reasons, so we have to press this button. And it will move, right, and left, turn left, and turn right. Okay, there are two accelerators for this skid steer loader, and you can see there's a pedal here. This is a gas pedal. You can feel. And also there's an electronic accelerator. Plus, plus, and less, less. Very easy to control, right? So now let me show you how to open the rear hood. Yes, open it. And you will see there's a small handle here. You have to lift it up, yeah. And then close it. If you didn't lift the handle up, you cannot close it because it's locked.